Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I will be showing you a demo of a website I created for a client called Paravos Cafe that is set to open next year. This website was mainly created with the intention of displaying all of the client's products and marketing features. Although most of the images are stock photos, once the client has sent me the photos they have taken, all stocks will be replaced. Here in the homepage, it's clear to see a specific aesthetic from the design. Me and the client spoke many times about the types of colors and overall feel that they wanted the customers to experience when they visited the website. They made an emphasis on warm tones and simplicity with a strong focus on their marketing. For this application, I used some Bootstrap components that were useful for what the client wanted. Scrolling through the page, I added fade and transitions that bring a smooth flow for the user. At the very top of the homepage, there is also a time carousel which would eventually display images of the actual business. Here at the header, we have our different views that the customer will be access. As of now, the sign-in and order pages have not been created but will be in development soon. Since this application is an SPA, all of the header links have been routed using ViewRouter. Clicking on the menu link takes us to the products component. Displayed is every product that the customer will eventually be serving at their business. Each product was categorized by the client, and I created an action through Vuex to set each product's URL based on its slug, which was added to each product during the creation of the database. Every product was added as a new document on MongoDB, which is being accessed through Axios requests. In the menu view, there's also a catering request form that's fully functional and allows customers to send emails with their inquiry. This was done using the send method through the Mailgoods API. I also created a video modal that will eventually deactivate all the elements in the background. Clicking on this breakfast box, you can see that each product is routed to its own product summary component that allows the user to make specific selections and add any comments. The user will be able to add as many products as they'd like to their cart using the Add to Cart button. At the top right side of the header, you can see that the cart amount has changed from 0 to 1. And clicking on the bag takes us to the cart view of this application. In the cart, users can add or subtract multiples of the items in their cart, as well as make any deletions or removing the item entirely. Here I am adding other products to show how they are all consecutively added to the cart. Once the checkout button is clicked, the user will be directed to the order summary page where they will need to input their contact information and desired date for their order. I've integrated the Stripe API for presentation purposes for the client, but eventually I will be using other tools in order to display all incoming orders for the client. Clicking the Place Order button redirects the user to the Stripe page where they will need to enter their credit card information to fully place their order. Back at Paravos Cafe, there's a simple rewards page created that will eventually allow users to sign up for a rewards program. So far there's just some simple CSS, but there will be more by opening day. Here I also show our story page, which is again just some simple CSS and a mock storyline I created for the business based on what the client has told me. Quickly, I just wanted to show how orders are being posted through the API into the server and then MongoDB. This shows that orders are being posted and that all the routing created is working properly. This is a code base for the back and front end separated into different folders following best practices and the MVC architecture. Here you can see the server that I've created using Express.js. And here you can see the models I created using Mongoose to clearly define the objects for MongoDB and each collection's roots. I also show the database configuration that was needed in order to connect Mongoose to our server. In the client side of the application, in the View App folder, you can see the various components and JavaScript files used to create the user interface. Here you can see the Axios requests being made through Vuex, which link the client side of Paravos Cafe to the backend. Although this website still has quite a bit left to do, I'm really excited about all the features I will be creating soon and delivering a great product to my client. Thank you guys for watching and sticking through these 10 minutes. If you'd like to interact with the website, please click on the carousel image above.